Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day.
16.
Get the food out of your mouth, girl. It's Vlogmas day 16. We lit. No, I don't know if it's 16 or 17, but today is Tahj's class party, and we are getting the big kids off to the school bus, and we waiting on the bus right now.
After that, I just touched my car.
Okay, when you get outside. Okay, so yeah, it's Vlogmas day 16 or 17. We shall see.
It's 16 because it was 15 yesterday.
Okay, thank you. And yeah, today's Tahj's class party. We about to get them off on the bus, and I'm just gonna vlog with y'all how our day goes with his class party. The babies are coming this time. Say hey. Say hey. No. 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 Yes. Okay. Today is also pajama day for them, so check their fits out. Ooh. Let me see. Ooh. Girl, what?
She do that dance. I say, ooh, with it.
Y'all look nice today.
I don't.
I got some nice kids. So we got the big kids on the bus. MJ is being extremely clingy right now. Tell him. Yeah, tell him. The class party don't start until, let's see, 9:30. The party don't start till 9:30, so I have about 2.5 hours because it's 6:43, and I need to leave out the house by like 9-ish because I gotta be on time today. I'm never really late like that, but I was late this time, so I'm gonna make sure I'm on time the next time. Okay. Yeah, so I got about 2.5 hours before we need to get out the door. So I don't know if I'm finna try to lay back down for a minute, watch a movie or something, then get dressed, or do I want to finish wrapping these presents? I made a lot of progress from my last video though. Hold on. Lot of progress. Yeah. I got a ways to go, but we gonna push through. Y'all, it's almost 8:30. MJ is on his third meltdown this morning. And I did go ahead and I was able to wrap a few more things. I'm about to add that under the tree. And I'm about to start getting dressed because the Christmas party starts at 9:30. So I have to get myself dressed, MJ and Sky Pie. So yeah. Y'all, I'm cramping today, so I don't really want to dress up like that. I mean, I dressed up a little bit yesterday, and I kind of want to do the same thing, you know, keep the same vibe, but I need some jeans that's not tight, you know what I'm saying? Because, yeah, I'm bloated, and I'm just not fucking feeling it. But anyways, I'm about to get dressed, and I'll be back when we get done. Eat your breakfast, please. It's 9:01. The party started at 9:30. I keep saying that, but I ain't got my stuff together. I ain't ate breakfast. I'm trying to eat right quick. I got a little sausage and this. I'm gonna be a few minutes late. I know it, but the kids eating too. When they get done, we finna get dressed and get out. I already got their clothes laid out. The most that take the most time is combing their hair, but what I'm about to say. Nah, but yeah, I gotta hurry up. 9:02. I got 28 minutes. So I'll be back when I get done getting dressed. It's 9:29, but I got both the kids dressed. I'm finna take me a quick shower and I'm finna get out the door because the party lasts for an hour, but I wanted to be on time. But y'all, I didn't deal with meltdowns, crying, they doing too much. They doing too much. Everybody wanna have temper tantrums, falling out, but it's okay. I'm finna hurry up, throw my clothes on. Wait, take a shower, throw my clothes on, and get out the door. I'm hoping to at least make it there by cause the school's only 2 minutes away, so I'm finna hurry up. It's 9:45. We ready? Y'all ready? Yeah. They dressed. I got MJ jacket, his coat in the car. I got Scott coat. All right, come on, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all ready?
I can put it over.
You'll be all right. Come on, to the car.
Daddy?
Yeah, Scott, how you get in? MJ, come on. Come on. Okay, stay close. All right, y'all. We made it to the school. Come on. Come on.
Take my baby with me.
Say it again.
Okay, Daddy, take my baby with me.
Come on. Y'all, my necklace broke again. I bought another one yesterday, and that one broke too. So I'm irritated. Irritated about the necklace, nothing else. I'm tired though. It's like a whole marathon trying to get out the door. Come on, don't walk in the grass, baby. Come on, this way. Go on the sidewalk. Woo. Tripping over these damn boots. Come on. Come on. Good morning. Come on, Sky. We have to go find Tahj. Who's this Tahj club? Hey, Tahj. Hi. Come on, let's go. What y'all doing in here? Y'all, Tahj in line, getting him a treat. Yeah, you want Tahj? MJ want to go with you. He can't come with you? He can? Let me see. So you got a candy cane in the pocket. You having fun? You having fun?
My dad didn't go to the office today.
Yeah, it's good. Hi, I'm trying to give Josiah Miss Worthy's class an early dismissal.
Okay, hold on one moment.
Get over here. Josiah.
Josiah.
Hey, girl.
Hey, I want this for you.
Yo, we decided we need a car wash, so we are in the line waiting to go. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm supposed to be waiting for her or just going by myself, but let's see. Hey, how you doing?
We're going for a bath car.
I'm supposed to just go? Okay, this is my first time. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now stop. Take your hand off that turn. Come on.
Okay.
And it's time for the bath.
Once we set y'all, take your hand off the turn.
Keep
Okay.
It's gonna push you all the way to the end.
Okay.
On that sign over there, you see a light blinking wait. It's telling you not to put your car and drive on the counter. When you see go, tap the brakes a little bit because sometimes it revs up and you might end up hitting that wall. But tap the brakes just a little, put it in drive and take it on.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
I can't wait for the car ride. This is gonna be really fun. You remember our first car ride? I remember
We about to go.
in the car. What?
Oh, y'all, this car's so dirty. I can't even, we got to do the inside after this.
Inside?
No, not while we in there.
Oh no.
Oh my God, tell my oh no. Really? Shut up.
That's germs.
Ooh,
That's germs.
no, it's not.
Look at that green stuff. Ew, what is that?
Y'all are so weird.
What is that? Oh, we're gonna time stuff.
No, we not. Stop saying that.
You're trying to open the windows?
Y'all need to stop. Y'all scaring Sky. It's cleaning the car off.
Thank you. Now we can see it.
All right, guys. So we made it through the car wash. We are about to clean out the inside. The inside is really dirty, so we are about to clean out all this junk up roof real quick and vacuum the car. MJ is asleep, so we're gonna try to do this while MJ is asleep. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
So all the trash need to go in an orange trash can. Be careful, watch your surroundings, stay close to the car. Y'all, we getting busy. Okay, busy. Ooh, child. It's so dirty. No, you gotta move it around. No, on the floor. Like this. Look. Like this. You have to drag it. Woo! We are done. We gotta get one of these, another one of these. But we are done. We're about to get this hand sanitizer on. Yeah, we're done, y'all. The car's clean, spick and span. Best we can do. It look nice, it smell good. Why are you yelling? Okay. Okay.
My hands.
Yeah, y'all, we done.
My